In this video, we are pressure forming a 17 by 24 by 1/4 inch thick sheet of Kydex material with a velour matte finish. We are using our MAC 5x5 machine with a depth drawer of about 24 inches. We put the material into the clamp frame using our custom retrofitted system. We send the material into the oven. You will notice at the bottom of the oven there are yellow ceramic heaters. They are zone controlled to heat the material in the exact area that is needed to form our part. We have the same control on top. The mold is made of a cast aluminum, then CNC machine to hold a tighter tolerance. When the material reaches its forming temperature, it automatically ejects from the oven to the forming area. We bring the mold up to the sheet surface and blow a bubble to get the proper stretch of the material. Then we send the foam plug assist into the sheet and the mold. At this time, the vacuum is turned on, allowing the material to form against the mold surface, and connected to the foam plug assist is a pressure box forcing air into the mold to ensure finer detail of the finished part. After the part is formed, the mold separates and the fans go on to cool the part. After removing the part, we inspect to make sure the texture, tight radii, and overall part detail has been achieved. Here we have our Thermoforming 5-axis machine. We place the part into a custom vacuum fixture to hold it in place without the needs of any clamping devices. We select the correct program and have the machine pull the correct cutter. We are now cutting the exact profile of the part. Here we're machining in the mounting holes for the part. When the cycle is done, we remove the part from the fixture. We then tried over the metal frame to make sure all the holes line up.